Hello, good evening, good afternoon, or even good morning, everyone. We started today and we are actually on the east coast of North Coast 500 route. And right now we are going down south. The road is boring, and what's even worse, it started raining and it started to be miserably cold.
As you can see.
Yeah, what you actually can see is the Culloden or Nairn Viaduct, which was our first planned stop this day. And by the way, on your luggage and on Kasia's ass, you can see how wet it was this day.
Such a gentleman.
Yeah, that's who I am actually. Well, never mind that, because we actually reached the Cairngorms National Park, so let's just enjoy the views. It started to be actually pretty, not warm, but sunny and pleasant at the moment.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't rain horizontally, then it's fine.
Yeah, and obviously because of the sunshine, we had such a lovely views like right now.
Stay tuned.
Actually, what I wanted to mention is that road. The tarmac was brilliant, almost completely flat, and lovely bends later on, like here.
I think we said enough about the roads already.
Might be, but not about this one. And this one is really, really good. We are still going south, but because we haven't been filming when it was raining, you will actually miss a lot of our day.
Yeah, like a lot.
Yeah, possibly we are already riding for 6 hours or something.
Yeah, we had a lovely lunch in Dufftown.
I don't remember that lunch at all.
Because, yeah, no one enjoyed it except for myself, I suppose. But hey,
That's life.
you just can't appreciate good cuisine and nice beverage.
Okay. I don't know if that's because this road was so wonderful, we actually reminded ourselves to take a group picture. And after that I had to catch up. And this bit of the road was nice as well, but anyway, we are right now pretty close to our destination, because anyway, we already did almost 200 miles this day, and we had accommodation just after passing the Cairngorms.
Yeah, on the first day, actually it was our second day, we did something like 500 miles in a day on the way up, and on the way down it took us 3 days to do 600 miles. So,
But it was much colder.
of course.
And it was raining, and we were avoiding motorways, and so on and so forth. Never mind that actually, because what we actually decided with this video, we decided to show you 3 days in one episode, because we didn't record that much because of the rain and because we were tired probably. So here we go, the day number... which day is it actually?
Last but one.
Yeah, that makes sense. Well, never mind the numbers, let's continue our trip. And we continue to see the Wallace Monument. Yeah, see, I remembered.
Yeah, it screams freedom from afar.
Gubi dobrze?
Taki zdziwiony, jakby Miek stał za nim.
No dobra. To są jedne z lepszych zdjęć, muszę powiedzieć. Chodźcie na kawusie. Idziemy?
Monty Python w ataku.
Właśnie się popłakał.
Yeah, at this moment we took a lovely picture up there.
Which we can't find.
Which we can find, yeah. So you need to trust us, it was really funny. So let's honor its memory with the second of black screen. But never mind that, we will show you instead actually the picture of the monument. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that picture. But never mind, let's continue our trip, and right now we are heading towards the Scottish borders and then Carlisle.
Correct. So we're slowly leaving Scotland.
Unfortunately, yeah, that's true.
Nagrywasz, jak już skończyliśmy jeść. Nagrywać zanim zaczęliśmy.
Bo było za ładnie.
Well, we had to stop in this restaurant because it was so wet and cold, and we had even the hailstorm and just plus 4 degrees, so we had to warm up, and then we continued. But actually the only thing we filmed is another break.
Oto przerwa w podróży. Jest lato, słoneczko. Plus 5 stopni na plusie. Czekaj. A to biedroneczka.
Niestety jej było zaszło. To już wiemy, skąd się kropki wzięły.
O, i taka droga. A tam autostrada. Tak jest. Padał grad, a tam pociąg. A to ja. Bardzo ciepło, bardzo przyjemnie, a Łukasz zniknął. Łukasz tankuje. Przyjedzie. No dobrze.
Wtedy natankujemy się wszyscy razem, możemy to spać.
A tak wyglądają zwłoki.
Zatankowane.
No dobrze.
Well, I don't know if it's good, but at least we catch a bit of temperature and we can continue. And right now we are riding along the M6 motorway.
Yes.
We decided to avoid motorways, so yeah, it's not much better than a motorway, but slightly. At least there is something happening, like a bit of corners and yeah, some people which you need to overtake. So a bit better.
Yeah. I think better is a stretch, but
A bit. Anyway, right now it's Carlisle, and what is happening now? We are looking for a route to the hotel because
we're trying to get by with too many one-way streets.
Oh yeah. And here we are. And first we went for a walk to see Adrian's wall
The remnants.
path. But that's not all. We also saw some breach because Hadrian Wall was not existing there. And we also had a party. And that was really good. And here we've got another day. That day we actually went through North Pennines and we wanted to go through Yorkshire, maybe Peak District, but it was so cold and we wasted too much time in North Pennines and on the breakfast. Do you remember that?
We invited you for a breakfast. It was your choice not to join
I
us.
told you we need to start early, but you decided to go for a breakfast and it took you 2 hours.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. Never mind.
I'm on holidays, I'm just enjoying myself.
I had no problem with that, but actually, because of that, we had to go on A1 later on.
I didn't complain.
I know, you would rather choose motorway than a single track, don't you? I think it's a good time to summarize everything. So, how many days was it?
If you count the first day when we went as far as Leicester,
Don't count
but
it.
if you don't count it, then it's 7.
Yeah, I think our plan was initially to have 9 days, but because of all the coincidences we had 7. And I can tell you that's not enough when it's cold, because you can't ride the whole day when you are at least on the bikes like we are. And yeah, that's not enough to see everything. And even if you've got perfect weather, that's not enough, I think.
Unless you leave further up north.
Yeah, of course, but if you are going from Midlands, I think you would need possibly 14 days would be really nice to explore Scotland.
I'd say it's not enough, because we only went to see this famous 500 miles of the roads, and there is much more.
Yeah, but at least you could see a bit more, because we've missed few famous points like Glenfinnan Viaduct.
We haven't even seen that Loch Ness.
Yeah, we didn't see Loch Ness, we didn't see all the roads on the Isle of Skye which we wanted to see, and we missed that Harry Potter's viaduct. And on the way back we had to travel on that road which we are now, so not the most pleasant, but could be worse.
How much worse?
So right now we almost hit home. So what we did, the last stop was in our favorite pub, which is Charnford Arms. Yeah.
Ooh.
Boo. What an enthusiasm.
I said woohoo. It was enthusiastic. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, so 150 liters of fuel later and 2 sets of tires.
Yeah, that's interesting thing that the Scotland is basically eating tires.
Exactly.
We went there twice, and every single time I can see that after the trip the tires are almost gone.
Exactly. It's the sacrifice that you have to put.
The sacrifice to the god of speed? Or maybe landscape.
No i co? Pojechali, wrócili. Co pan powie na to?
Czy dobre piwo?
Że tydzień za szybko minął.
Pani? A pani co powie?
Że jest tak. Zdrowko.
A ja mogę jechać jeszcze raz. Od zaraz.
Możesz jechać.
Naprawdę.
No to ciao.
No to baba.
So, that's it folks. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the future videos. Cheers!
Bye, Bruce.
Well, he can't hear you anymore. Bye everyone.